Hello, everybody. I'm Veronica, and I work for Resource One Credit Union.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and I work for Resource One Credit Union. And today, Veronica and I are giving you the scoop on debt consolidation. Wouldn't you like to have one payment every month versus having 3 or maybe more payments every month on loans? Debt consolidation and getting a loan for debt consolidation is the way you can do that. Let's dive in a little bit further on what you can do to consolidate your debt.
So one of the many uses, there are many uses for a debt consolidation loan, but one of the many uses is going to be for high interest credit cards or loans. So even a percentage can matter on your loan's APR or annual percentage rate. So let's say that you have 2 different loans. One is at 8% interest rate and the other one is at 14.99% interest rate. The difference in interest that you're going to pay is about $400. So just think about it. No matter the amounts are the same, the interest is higher on one than the other, but the interest is almost doubled the amount that you would pay just because of that rate. A debt consolidation loan can help get you out of that so you don't have to worry about paying so much interest. That's not even going towards your balance.
There's also multiple reasons you will want to consolidate your debt. Maybe you have multiple debts spread out across all over the place. Maybe you have medical debt, credit card debt, student loan debt. I mean, it could be a variety of things. And they all have a different interest rate. And most of the time, they're probably higher than what your credit union would offer on a consolidation debt loan. So definitely check it out, see what's right for you, compare those interest rates and know what you're paying, because I don't know about you, Veronica, I want that extra $400 in my pocket versus in the lender's pocket.
And I also have to add, just doing a little bit of research on the interest rates that you're paying, ultimately, it's like you're paying yourself. You're saving yourself that money, so it's like paying yourself. That's how I like to think about it. So there are a few different types of loans that you could use for debt consolidation. One of those types are a credit card. So typically, you can transfer the balance from other credit cards or from somewhere else, any debt from somewhere else. And that rate is typically lower than it is for a purchase rate on a credit card. So that helps. And even for the life of the balance, that could be possible as well. But you can use a credit card to pay off other debts or move other high interest credit card balances to a possibly lower Resource One credit card. Now, I do want to say you have to be careful when you go this route if you're transferring from another credit card. You want to make sure not to add up or to use those credit cards again and get yourself in a bad position. So just be careful and understand why you're doing it.
Yeah, that is an easy way if you wanted to consolidate debt quickly. Credit card is one of the options to go. We also offer personal loans. So if you need a quick way to consolidate some debt, personal loans is another way to go. You can take that personal loan that's typically a lower interest rate, consolidate all that debt onto that one loan and pay that one loan instead of paying a whole bunch of different loans or debts. Another option takes a little bit of time though, but hang in there, it's a good option, is a home equity. So basically with that, say you live in a house, you have some equity in that house, which means your loan that you currently owe is less than what the house is actually worth. You have a little gap in between there where you have equity built up in that house. So you can borrow against that piece of equity that's available for your house. And you can consolidate all those higher interests into a lower interest home equity loan, which right now is a really good deal, typically cheaper.
So in wrap up, we've talked a lot about all the different uses and reasons that someone would need a debt consolidation loan. Some lenders out there, many lenders out there, they'll give loans to anybody just to make a buck. And that may not be what you need, but if you go and get it, then you have it and you're responsible for that debt. But Resource One has your best interests at heart. We'll work with you to find a loan that fits you, your family, your situation, your budget. Our low rates are flexible terms to make affordable payments to get you in the spot that you want to be.
So if you're ready to start consolidating some debt, you need to talk to one of our loan officers right now. And we have a new, easy way to talk to them through video banking. You can set up an appointment or immediately talk to a loan officer directly from your phone. It's just an app. Go to our website, download the app, talk to somebody right now, start consolidating those debts with higher interest into a Resource One loan with lower interest. We'll get you right on track, handle that high rate debt, and get you where you need to be.